Hello, legends, multimillionaires, future millionaires, everyone who wants to have some money from crypto. Let's have a look what's happening. High level, timing wise, we are somewhere there. Everything can change because we are trading ETF right now. So we will see the chart of gold ETF very, very soon. From the liquidation data, I don't know what's not opening. Give me 3 more seconds, if not, can we come back? Basically, a little bit everyone got liquidated, but mostly, yes, we got it shorts. So everyone who shorted in the last hour got liquidated. I mean, longs as well, right? There's always very aggressive longs. But overall, we see that the short for Bitcoin especially got wrecked. And yeah, market loves to liquidate everyone, okay? So just pay attention. That this chart telling everything. How many liquidations we had? Fucking hell, 9 of December. So actually the latest days were not that bad compared to that time. Crazy. But that's how it is. Just take care of your money. So if you look where we are, we have only up since 13th of Jan when we had decent dump and everyone lost the money. That's usually how the market is doing. Hey, I will lose your money and then we pump. So you'll be double pissed. That's the situation. But the point is the liquidation is below us, okay? So it can be taken very, very quickly, guys. Stay cautious still. I would still wait until inauguration, really, with the bigger trades. Like you should have already opened trades since 13th of Jan when everything dumped. But I think we should take some profits right now, to be honest, over the weekend. As usually, nothing major shouldn't happen. And then the next trade is Monday, Tuesday. Like add to the position, ideally. That's my plan. Heat map basically green, ready for the next move. And this chart, which I really love to show, is to show big four, US 500, 100, and where we are. Can we pump further? Yeah, we can over the weekend, but we can still get a decent pullback. So Ether can easily go to 3600 over the weekend, to be honest. And then that means Bitcoin could even have an all-time high over the weekend. But in any case, we will get some pullback. I'm sure about it. So if you didn't enter the position yet, should you enter it now? I don't think so. I don't think it's a good idea. For futures, for spot, you buy and you don't care, correct? That's what we said many times. Bitcoin 12 and 6 months candles looks decent. We were waiting. We got this week below what I was talking about. And exactly we repeated the history. So this looks fine. If we compare Bitcoin to ETF gold, this is where we are, and this is when gold were basically straight up. But we had the times where we had the moments we could sell, take profits, and the better moments to buy. Do you agree? So from 1,000 to 6.70 is a 30% discount. It's not easy to know when the 30% discount will be naturally, but there are such moments. Always, every time, look, there is a pump, dump, there is a median. So that's the moment, right? When there is a dump, everyone's crying, you buy. When it's a pump, you take FOMO, you sell to the FOMO a little bit, take profits. Not all of them, but some percentage, yes. RSI looked amazing. Here is a shitty chart from technical. I don't like this parameters. It's so difficult to explain, but what I want to say is we have very similar setup to 2017. When we compare multiple things, basically this is where we could be. This is the current week. Pump, then the next inauguration actually dump, which will happen for sure. We take some lowers, guys, with liquidity, and then pump only to Feb, then March, maybe, etc. So yeah, that's what can happen. If chart looks incredibly good for the technical setup, it can only pump, guys. Look how similar it is to September, October 2020, and what happened next. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It's basically 1 year with no pullback, okay? Crazy. We could go easily to 12K. I mean, minimum, like if not more. It to Bitcoin looks like a shit. We are here. Just buy if right now, guys. You have more Bitcoin. You want to have more Bitcoin. I know there is no second best, but that's the point. Sometimes you need to trade some other shitcoins to get more Bitcoin at the end, right? That's the plan. So for our retirement, otherwise we will not be able to, to retire ourselves well. This chart you already discussed. Others to Bitcoin, that's how it looks like. For others to Bitcoin looks crap. Others to ETH looks good, because ETH looks crap. Basically everything to Bitcoin looks crap still. But altcoins can wake up a little bit soon. So if we look in the lower time frame for alts, we are at some taking profits. We saw it already before many times. Whatever the this indicator popped up, we can be here, right? Like nowhere, like basically just still we have a decent move up, but we have a decent resistance also. So to break this through, we need Bitcoin and ETH breakthrough as well. So it's a 50-50 right now, and inauguration on Monday. So I would stay cautious rather over the weekend and wait for Monday, Tuesday. Just rest, sleep well, and we talk Monday, Tuesday really. Altcoins looks decent. They are ready to pump. Basically, 40 was the bottom. Cycle lows, we were at the bottom. We are already climbing. The Glassnode is showing exactly the same thing. Doesn't mean we cannot have pullback yet, but high level rainbow chart also showing we are going much higher, 300, 400K. I think really 400K, 300, it's something we see in a few months. Bitcoin inflows, green, when the countries will join the party. I already joining, but if they increase the party, it will be crazy. Bitcoin chart on Google, Bitcoin trend on Google looks the same like altcoins chart. Do you agree? Basically, people type Bitcoin and they buy altcoins because altcoins are cheap, and Bitcoin is so expensive for retail right now, right? If you buy, you can buy a little bit here, a little bit there. That's correct. But yeah, retail is crazy for alts, right? So that's what can happen. Ethereum for quarterly return from minus 5%. Beginning of this week is +2 right now. And usually these years are 2021 and 17 were the inauguration years. So we can go much higher than this, okay? Bitcoin number 7 asset worldwide. Amazon next. We get there very, very soon. Everyone almost is in profit when Bitcoin goes to 100K. There is no loss because it's all-time high. So everyone who bought anytime is in profit. And that means people actually will be not waiting. They will be realizing profit along the way. And this is also correct. If they bought so low, they can realize, buy the new house, don't work anymore time. So there will be a lot of pullbacks on the way to 1 million and to 10 million. That's why it will take a lot of time, because everyone will be in profit. There will be a lot of profit taking, which will be bought by big guys, big hands, big money. Yeah, all other parameters looks decent. So we are set for higher goals, higher highs very soon. But again, stay cautious. We wait till Monday, Tuesday for the big new entries. Over the weekend, just you can play a little bit with shitcoins, but nothing major. So stay strong and talk to you tomorrow. Bye.